Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about personal branding and how to create a brand that reflects who you are. What is personal branding and why is it important? Personal branding is the process of creating a unique identity for yourself that sets you apart from others. It is the combination of your values, beliefs, strengths, attitude and personality that make you stand out in the crowd. Your personal brand is what people say about you when you're not present in the room. Having a strong personal brand can help you in many ways, such as building trust with your audience, increasing your credibility, and helping you stand out in a competitive job market. How to create a personal brand. Step 1. Define your purpose. The first step in creating a personal brand is to define your purpose. What is it that you want to achieve? What are your values, passions, and goals? Once you have a clear purpose, you can start building a brand around it. Step 2. Identify your target audience. To build a strong personal brand, it is important to know who your target audience is. Who are the people you want to reach? What are their needs, desires, and pain points? Understanding your target audience will help you create content that resonates with them. Step 3. Develop your message. Your message is what you want to communicate to your audience. It should be clear, concise, and reflect your values and goals. Your message should also be unique and different from your competitors. Step 4. Create your visual identity. Your visual identity is how you present yourself to the world. It includes your logo, color scheme, typography, and imagery. Your visual identity should be consistent across all your online and offline platforms. Step 5. Build your online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential. This includes having a website, social media accounts, and a blog. Your online presence should reflect your personal brand and help you reach your target audience. Creating a personal brand takes time and effort, but it is worth it. By building a strong personal brand, you can stand out in a crowded market and achieve your goals. Remember, your personal brand is not just what you say about yourself, it's what others say about you. So, be authentic, consistent, and true to yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.